Hi everyone, it's Itohan once again. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, you're so welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again. So in today's video, we're doing a hair tutorial, and as you can see, starting with freshly washed hair. So I'm just going to be moisturizing my hair with this Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'll just be applying that on my hair to make my hair really soft, because we're going to be doing a ponytail hairstyle and we need our hair moisturized. So I'm going to be doing a center part because I just love a center part. I'm just going to be sectioning that well, and also the two front half of my hair. We're going to be starting with the hair at the back. So guys, now I'm done sectioning my hair, and what I just like to do is just to double up on that moisture on my hair, because if you don't know, gel is very drying on the hair, and I don't want my hair to have white residue after making this hairstyle, because that's what happens when you don't moisturize your hair properly before doing a sleek hairstyle. So I'm just going to be using this my Eco Styler gel. I'm going to be applying a good amount, not too much and also not too small. I will saturate that at the top and also at the under, and I will just make sure I have that slicked properly and just put that aside. So guys, now I'm going to be going over to the section at the top and just further sectioning it into two, because if we want this hair to lay down slicked, we need to do them in moderate sizes. Okay, so I'm just going to further brush my hair and then apply the Eco Styler gel moderately. So I like to just apply that on top and also under, just to make sure that it's properly saturated. And after making sure that is slick, I will then join that with the hair section I have already done at the back. So guys, because I also want like a very slick look and I didn't want like any bumps on my hair, I brought out this hard brush, and this is very helpful, and it will help you slick down your hair properly. Okay, so you can also use that when you want to try out this sleek hair tutorial. It will be very helpful. And look at how slicked my hair looked after using that hard brush. So now I'm just going to be going to the center of the hair. We're almost done. I will be perfecting my my center part, so I can then apply gel on the hair to further slick this look. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in this shit, everything just fades away. What you have fade away. Everything just fades away. What you have fade away. And everything falls into place. When it's all up in the air and innocent, touching on my leg, you ain't in different. What we doing here ain't nobody's business. It's all sweet, but it tastes like cinnamon. But you won't say what's on your mind. Don't gotta say. So guys, now we are done slicking all of the hair, so I'm just going to join that section with the rest of the hair and also just slick everything down with this hard brush. I love this hard brush so much, it's very useful. Then I'll just pack everything together. Okay, so now we are done. One thing I like to do, the remaining part of my hair, I just like to brush or comb my hair because I don't want it being all tangled, and then I will just plait or braid my hair together and just put that aside. So guys, we're done slicking the hair, and you can actually leave it like this if you don't want to keep the hair for too long. But because I want this hair to last a bit longer, I'm going to be applying this got2b freeze spray on the hair. I will just spray that on my hair and then use a brush to just distribute the product around my hair. So doing this will just help you lock the style in place for longer. Okay, so I think when I did this, it lasted me for about more than a week, and even when I wanted to take down the hairstyle, it was still looking very good. But personally, I'm not really a fan of leaving slick bun too long on my hair just because of the gel, and I don't want my hair to be too dehydrated. So I keep mine for at most a week. So yeah, so now guys, I'm just doing my edges, and I'm just gonna do this. It's optional, you can skip it if you want. And after that, I will be just using a scarf to just tie that in place. So guys, I am done with my makeup, and I'm just going to be taking out this scarf from my hair. And guys, look at how laid this hair is. If you want the gel to dry faster, I would advise you not to add too much gel, like don't overdo on the gel. If not, it's going to take a while for the gel to dry, and it looks so sleek. I love it so much. So guys, about the extension, it is not brand new. I have used this before. The first time I used this, I posted a picture on my Instagram, and someone wanted to know how I did it. That's why I'm doing this video. So it is the Obsession pre-fluffed popping twist. It's kinky, but guys, when I tell you, this hair is very, very soft. Like, it can pass for a human hair. Like, I'm not even going to lie, I can't believe this is synthetic. I have used this more than once, and guys, the hair is still in perfect condition. It does not tangle. Okay, so it comes in 3 bundles in a pack, and the last time I used this, I pulled out just one small bundle from one of the bundles, just so I can use that to just, you know, wrap the hair around, which is this. Use that to wrap the hair around after I'm done installing. And this is how I just pulled out one from one of the 3 bundles, just so I can, you know, wrap the hair around. So if you have something like this, don't forget to just pull out one before installing the kinky twist, just so you can have one to, you know, wrap your hair around. Okay, so now to install, I'm just going to be using this headband and wrapping it on one of the bundles. Okay, then I will just show you guys how I installed it. So when installing it, guys, I would advise the coily ends, just make sure it's facing down, not up, so it doesn't like stick up. So you do it in a way that it is facing down, so that when you cover so that when you put down the kinky, as you can see, it is seamless and it's not showing that coily ends. Okay, so I'm just going to do this again so you guys can see how I did it. So I'm just wrapping this headband around the tip of that coily ends, and just make sure that while tying this to your ponytail, it's facing inside, okay, not outside, so it doesn't stick out. Okay, so and I will now be doing the last one. Make sure it is facing inside as usual, and just wrap that around your natural hair ponytail. Okay, so after doing this, you will see that the extension is very seamless. The tips are not sticking out, and the fact that we're using our natural hair and also this natural kinky, it looks so seamless. Okay, like I have been stopped multiple times on the road asking if this is my natural hair, and this color of the extension is a color 1B, so you can also buy the natural color of your hair to just blend, and you will see how lovely it looks. So guys, to create the bubble hairstyle, you will need a lot of hair bands for that. So you just take out one and just make sure you wrap your hair around that hairband. Don't mind me, this is me just stressing myself and doing this. I found that the easier way to do this is to wrap the hairband close to the ends of the hair. Then you just wiggle the hairband up. Okay, so I feel that is the easier way to do it, but regardless, that's just to tell you how soft and nice this extension is. If it's some other kinky extension I have used in the past, it would have, should I say, tangled, and you won't even be able to revive that kinky extension. I love this extension. It is so soft, and this is not sponsored, by the way. So you just keep tying the hairband around the kinky hair. So guys, this is what I was talking about. Just make sure you tie the hairband close to the tip and then wiggle the headband up. Okay, so I think this is the easier way to do it. Okay, yeah, so just make sure you leave quite a bit of space just so you have that bubble effect. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video. It's very explanatory and also very easy. This won't take you more than 5 minutes. It won't even take you up to 5 minutes. Okay, so you just keep on doing that until you're at the end, and guys, it is so easy. No one can do it like you. So guys, remember the last piece we pulled out and set aside? We're just going to use that now to just tie the top of the hair, just to make sure we conceal all that installation. Okay, and just so it looks seamless and nice. So as we're done with this, we will be using a bobby pin to just put that aside, to just pin that in place. And guys, we are done with the hairstyle. Like, it was so easy. This does not take so long. I'm not even going to lie, this is very easy. And this hairstyle, I love this hairstyle so much. This is like my go-to hairstyle. Honestly, now it is very easy to do, and it's also very pretty. It looks very put together. I love this hairstyle so much. So guys, that's it on this video. Let me know if you'll enjoy this. Let me know if you will be installing it. I will be putting details of this hair in the description box. If I can find the link, I will also drop that down. And see you guys next time in another video, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye. I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed